Hello guys, now we'll make sweet potato kheer and sweet potato caramel, two recipes from the sweet potato. What we need is chopped sweet potatoes. I've chopped it like this. We need little milk. We need condensed milk. I'm taking Amul condensed milk. We need ghee. We need normal sugar to make caramel. So I'll just start putting some ghee in this pan. I have already preheated this pan for like 5 minutes. I'm just putting ghee in it. With this spatula, I'll just, ghee is already melted because that pan was very hot. I'll just put all the sweet potatoes in this, because to make sweet potato kheer and sweet potato caramels, in both things we need ghee roasted sweet potatoes. So I'll roast all the sweet potatoes. We need to roast it on medium flame. For like 2 minutes I'll roast it and then I'll cover it with a lid so that they get little cooked. Let it sit for some time. This pan we are going to use for caramel making, so that we will make later. We need to put a lid on this for like 5 minutes. We'll put lid on this. I'm covering it with this lid and we'll let it sit. In between you have to check. We have to just mix it with this, and then for 5 minutes it should be covered, and then we will make the kheer out of it. So we have kept it for around 5 minutes have happened, and you can see a little golden brown color has come, and also we can see that, see if you can see particularly this, see it has been cooked properly because it is getting broken. So now this has been cooked in pure ghee. As you can see, this has been turned to golden brown. If you can see this, and this has been cooked quite well. I will just close this gas for time being. Just take this out, these fried sweet potatoes in ghee in one plate. Just a minute. You can enjoy this like this by putting salt and mirch powder, but because it is sweet potato, I'll make a sweet out of it. Just give me a minute. I've taken out all ghee roasted sweet potatoes. Now, in this extra, the ghee is there. We are totally okay with the ghee. We'll just switch on the gas again to continue with ghee. To continue with the condensed milk kheer, we'll just add some milk in it. Little bit of sweet potatoes. Not all the sweet potatoes, little bit we need for caramel making. Condensed milk will put. Condensed milk I'll put. As per sweet you like, that much you can put condensed milk. That's it. Just give it a good stir. Sweet potatoes are already cooked in ghee, so we don't need it to keep for much time, but for like 2 minutes we'll keep it on medium flame with again covered lid, and after 2 minutes we'll see. For caramel, I'll just switch on gas. And this is the pan which I'm using to make caramel. We'll let the pan get heated for some time. Little on medium flame. Until then, this is getting cooked. Let it heat for some time. I'll put sugar. It is a little heated, not much heated. When it is little heated, you have to put sugar on this pan. Like, you can put more sugar. And you have to just wait until the sugar gets melted on a medium flame. Don't stir it, don't mix it, don't do anything. The moment it starts melting, you have to switch off the gas and then just take the caramel. As you can see, our sweet potato kheer is ready, and the caramel is getting, it's melting, but the little part is just remaining, so I'll just wait for some more time. As you can see, the caramel is ready. The pan is dark, so you can't see, but I'll just put this caramel on the sweet potato so that you can see it. I guess you can see now. It's like this. This is the caramel. See, its consistency is also very proper. I've just poured the caramel on the sweet potatoes which we just roasted in ghee. You can enjoy it like this, or you can enjoy it like a kheer. Thank you so much, guys.